Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use electric upper lip hair removal. First, always begin by thoroughly cleansing your upper lip area to remove any makeup, oils, or impurities. This ensures a clean surface for effective hair removal. Next, make sure your skin is completely dry, as moisture can hinder the device's performance. Finally, check that your electric remover is fully charged or has fresh batteries, so you can complete the process without interruption. Proper preparation is key for a smooth experience. Once your skin is prepped, hold the skin around your upper lip taut with one hand. This creates a flat, firm surface, allowing the device to work more effectively. Position the electric remover at a 90-degree angle against your skin. Gently move the device in small, circular motions or against the direction of hair growth. Apply only light pressure. Let the device do the work. You should see tiny hairs being captured and removed, leaving your skin smooth and clear. After removing the hair, it's crucial to soothe your skin. Gently wipe the treated area with a soft, clean cloth to remove any stray hairs or residue. Immediately follow up by applying a calming, alcohol-free moisturizer or a natural aloe vera gel. This helps to reduce redness and prevent irritation. For the next few hours, avoid direct sun exposure and refrain from using any harsh skincare products. Remember to clean your electric device thoroughly after each use. For the best and most lasting results, consider exfoliating your upper lip area regularly, perhaps 2 to 3 times a week, to prevent ingrown hairs. You'll likely find that using your electric remover every 2 to 3 weeks maintains consistent smoothness. Always store your device in a clean, dry place to ensure its longevity. Don't forget to replace device heads or blades as recommended by the manufacturer, typically every 6 months, for optimal performance and hygiene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.